Hey gardeners, welcome to the Celtic Farm. I'm Master Gardener Steve, and if you're crazy busy but still want a thriving garden, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 10 time-saving gardening hacks to help you grow more food and flowers in less time. These are the tricks that we use here and preach in our blog to keep things flourishing without spending all day in the dirt. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get growing. First up, choose low-maintenance plants that love your climate. Think kale, cherry tomatoes, rosemary. These guys thrive with minimal care. An example is sun gold tomatoes, which practically grow themselves. Plant perennials like rosemary to skip replanting every year. Want to start? Find some seeds online, and kale might be a great choice. It takes zero effort, and it's really easy to grow. What's your favorite go-to easy plant? Post in the comments. Raised beds are a busy gardener's best friend. They cut down on weeds, warm up fast for early planting, and save your back. Build a 4x8 bed, fill it with your soil and compost, add mulch to keep weeds away. We refresh ours yearly with our farm's compost, and it's a total time saver. Check out your favorite online shop for raised bed kits to get started. Watering takes forever, especially here in our California dry summer. Drip irrigation is a game changer. Set it up with a timer and it waters your plants while you sleep. We use drip lines in our veggie rows and save 2 to 3 hours per week hand watering. You can find kits online, set it and forget it, more time for coffee. Mulch is like magic. Spread straw or wood chips around your plants to block weeds and keep soil moist. Pumpkin patches stay weed-free with straw and it saves growers hours. Try it with your favorite pumpkin seeds from a shop online. Less weeding, more growing. Who's with me? Swap manual tools for battery-powered ones where you can and cut your task time in half. A cordless pruner or tiller is eco-friendly and fast. We prune our fruit trees in record time with an electric pruner and cut our lavender with that tool as well. Check your favorite online shop for picks. No cords, no gas, just be done. Container gardening is perfect for small spaces or tight schedules. Grow lettuce or herbs in 5-gallon pots. You'll have less weeding and they're easy to move. A patio herb garden can save you trips to the field. Shop containers online and grow them just about anywhere. Crop rotation keeps your soil healthy and pests away, so you spend less time fixing problems. Divide your garden and rotate crops like tomatoes and beans early. We do this in our raised beds. It's a breeze to do, and you can improve your yield. Microgreens are fast growing, ready in 7 to 14 days, indoors or out. Sow radish or pea shoots in trays for fresh greens and no weeding. You can find trays online and try microgreen kits from different seed providers. Companion planting saves time on pest control. Marigolds with tomatoes or basil with peppers keep bugs away naturally. Marigold borders work wonders. You can plan smart, pest-free gardens. And finally, group tasks like planting and pruning into one session. Use a checklist to stay organized on your beds, and batch your tasks weekly, freeing up your schedule. You can get our gardening journal online to plan like a pro. There you have it, 10 ways to garden smarter, not harder. You can check out our companion guide in the link on our blog. Head to the Celtic Farm and check out our other posts. Shop our tools and kits that can help you save time today. What's your favorite gardening hack? Drop it in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more tips from the Celtic Farm. Happy growing!